Welcome to our channel where we uncover the pulse of global energy landscape. Crude oil holds immense importance in the modern world, serving as a foundational pillar of global energy infrastructure and playing a central role in driving economic growth and development. Here are some key aspects highlighting the significance of crude oil. First, crude oil powers transportation, manufacturing, and electricity generation globally, enabling the movement of people and goods. It is also used in power plants for residential, commercial, and industrial energy needs. Second point, crude oil serves as a raw material for plastic, chemicals, pharmaceutical, and more, playing a crucial role in modern products. Third point, crude oil industry drives global economic activity, funding government expenditures and creating jobs across various sectors. Fourth point, crude oil is heavily traded internationally, balancing supply and demand to sustain economies. Fifth point, crude oil reserves influence geopolitics, which oil-rich countries exert political influence globally. Sixth point, crude oil market impacts global economies and financial market due to various influencing factors, playing a crucial role in investment decision. Overall, crude oil's importance cannot be overstated as it remains a vital component of modern society, powering industries, driving economic growth, and shaping geopolitical dynamics on a global scale. Crude oil trading is a complex yet essential aspect of the global economy, representing the buying and selling of crude oil as a commodity on the international market. This complex procedure involves numerous steps and stakeholders, each playing a crucial role in the journey of crude oil from its extraction to its eventual consumption. At its core, crude oil trading begins with the acquisition of crude oil from various sources, including oil rigs located in the offshore drilling sites. These rigs serve as a primary extraction point where crude oil is trapped from deep beneath the ocean floor. Due to the inherent risk and operational cost associated with the offshore drilling, crude oil extracted from these rigs is often offered at a discounted rate compared to the onshore production. Enterprises like Klizards Marine plays a pivotal role in this process by owning and operating oil tankers, which serve as a primary means of transporting crude oil from its extraction point to refineries located across the globe. These tankers, equipped with the state-of-the-art technology and manned by skilled crew, navigate the vast expanses of the world's ocean, ensuring the efficient and timely delivery of crude oil to its intended destination. Upon reaching refineries, crude oil undergoes a series of complex refining processes where it is transformed into various petroleum products such as gasoline, diesel, and jet fuel. Refineries plays a critical role in maximizing the value of crude oil by converting it into higher value products that meet the diverse energy need of the consumer worldwide. Introducing Klizards Marine Company, your gateway to lucrative investment opportunity in the dynamic world of crude oil trading. Here's why you should consider investing with us. First, proven track record. With the years of experience in the industry, we have established ourselves as a trusted player in the crude oil trading market. Our track record of success speaks for itself, providing investors with confidence in our ability to deliver consistent returns. Second, strategic partnership. We have forged strategic partnership with oil rigs and refineries worldwide, ensuring access to high quality crude oil at discounted rate. These partnerships enable us to maximize profitability and offer attractive returns to our investors. Third, lucrative investment option. At Klizards Marine Company, we offer a range of investment options tailored to meet the diverse needs of our investors. Depending on your investment amount, you can earn return of up to 3% per month for investment ranging from 1 to 15 lakhs and up to 4% per month for investment between 15 lakhs to 2 crore and up to 5% per month for the investment exceeding 2 crores. Fourth point, transparent and secure. Transparency and security are at the core of our operation. We provide investors with comprehensive information about our investment opportunity, ensuring full transparency at every step of the process. Additionally, we prioritize safety of our investors' fund through strict security measures, and insurance coverage for our assets. Fifth point, referral program. Our referral program rewards investors for bringing new investors into the fold. This program not only incentivizes our existing investors but also facilitates the growth of our investor community. In summary, Klizard Marine Company offers a unique opportunity to invest in the lucrative world of crude oil trading. Join us today and embark on a journey of profitable investment with Klizard Marine Company.